everyone, Chef Anna here again with another recipe demo. Today our demo is extra special because it shows not only a new recipe from our in-person holiday menu, but also features our Harvest of the Month Texas sweet potatoes. In your virtual bag this week, you should have received a container with the following: Texas sweet potatoes, a container of maple glaze, diced turkey bacon, and some additional items you're going to need to complete your recipe are a baking sheet, a piece of parchment paper or some nonstick spray, a spoon for mixing, as well as a mixing bowl, and an oven preheated to 400 degrees. Now that you have everything you need, let's get started. So first things first, we're going to take our sweet potatoes and add them into our mixing bowl. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to drizzle our maple glaze over the top of our sweet potatoes. Get as much of that goodness out of there as we can. Then we're going to take our spoon here and we're going to mix that all together just to coat the sweet potatoes. Alright, now that I've got my sweet potatoes coated with our maple glaze here, that's when you're going to put it onto your baking sheet, spread it out nice and even. You can use either a piece of parchment like I'm doing here, or you can also generously spray your pan with some nonstick spray. Put those on there. And we just want to spread these out so they're not laying on top of each other, so they have lots of room for air to get in between and bake them up all nice and crispy. Just like that. Okay, we should have our oven preheated to 400 degrees, so we're going to put these in the oven at 400 degrees for about 6 minutes. Then we're going to remove them, and that's when we're going to sprinkle our turkey bacon on top and cook them for another 6. See you back in a minute. Alright, so these have been in the oven at 400 degrees for about 6 minutes. Now I'm going to take my yummy turkey bacon here and sprinkle them all over the top, just like so. And now we're ready to go back in the oven for another 6 to 7 minutes. And there you go, our Texas maple roasted sweet potatoes featuring our Harvest of the Month Texas sweet potatoes. No oven to use? No problem. Just follow the microwave instructions below. We hope you all enjoy this Texas twist on a Thanksgiving classic, and we wish you all a happy Thanksgiving from our S&S kitchen to yours. Oh, hey, don't forget to pick up your meals for the week of Thanksgiving this Thursday from 5 to 6. See you then.